Hello everyone, I'm your host, Lego Super Mario Maker, and in this video, I'm going to do a quick review on the Desert Pokey set. This is what the box looks like, and in this set, you get a Monty Mole and a Desert Pokey. So let's get it all built up and see what it looks like. Okay, here's what the set looks like all built up. So we got the little Monty Mole here, looking like that, with the barcode on top. We got the hammer in the middle and Pokey in the back. Now what you do in this set is get Lego Mario.
Lego Mario time!
Here he is. What you do is hop on Monty Mole once to get a coin. But the main point of the set is this hammer. Mario will jump in it, play a song, spin around, and knock down the Pokey. Now one of these blocks, or part of Pokey, is the barcode. Jump on that to get more coins. Right now let's put the starter pipe in the end goal and see how many coins we can get. So here's what the set looks like with the start pipe and the end goal. So let's play through it and see how many coins we can get.
Here we go!
So in total we got 16 coins.
Yeah!
So 16 coins from one Monty Mole and one Pokey and whatever in the middle. So that's the Desert Pokey set. Just put it all back together. Hope you like this quick little review and voice test. If you want to see more of this stuff, let me know in the comment section. See you later.